No one saw this coming. This moon, which was never meant to be anything special, is about to surprise you in ways you can't yet imagine. We're often told that only full moons or rare lunar eclipses hold true power. But what if I told you this seemingly ordinary moon is about to prove that theory completely wrong? November 21st is the night when this unassuming moon steps into the spotlight, wielding more influence over your life and spirit than you could ever expect. Its quiet strength is no accident. It's deeply tied to a powerful event unfolding right alongside it. You'll soon discover exactly what it is. And trust me, even the most skeptical among us won't be able to ignore its impact. Stay tuned, because this night has the potential to change your entire path. We've forgotten how to notice the magic right in front of us. Why do we dismiss moments that seem ordinary, as if subtle energy holds no power? This moon is here to remind us that we've been missing the truth. It embodies one of the universe's most mysterious qualities: working in silence. While society chases grand spectacles and dramatic signs, the cosmos prefers to whisper its secrets. This moon on November 21st is one of those whispers, a potent moment hidden in simplicity. It's a reminder that spiritual awakenings aren't always marked by fireworks. Sometimes they're soft, yet unforgettable shifts that subtly alter the course of our soul's journey. Think about it. How many life-changing insights have come to you in the quietest of moments? This is one of those times. Tune in closely, and you might uncover a truth that's been hiding in plain sight all along. But the moon isn't the only thing to watch for on this night. It coincides with a powerful, often overlooked celestial event, the Monos-Sued meteor shower. Imagine countless streams of cosmic light streaking across the sky, charging the air with pure potential. This isn't just a visual spectacle. It's a moment of deep vibrational change, a celestial symphony calling out to every soul attuned to the universe's hidden frequencies. Meteor showers aren't just beautiful distractions, they're portals of possibility. Each meteor is like a wave of energy, rippling outward and creating fertile ground for manifestation and transformation. Think of it as the universe rolling out a cosmic runway, a path on which your deepest desires can take flight. What's even more electrifying is how the energy of the moon harmonizes with the meteors, amplifying that sense of possibility. Tonight, if you align your intentions with this cosmic dance, you're not just wishing on a star, you're setting your intentions on waves of energetic momentum. Feel that spark of excitement. That's because this isn't a time to sit back. It's a moment to tune in, focus your energy, and propel your dreams forward. The universe is alive, moving, and shifting. Will you move with it? Have you been hearing ringing in your ears or feeling extra sensitive to light and sound? Things are about to get real. The universe is calling, and the energy of this night is going to make sure you feel it. Maybe you've noticed your sleep patterns getting a little off lately, suddenly wide awake in the middle of the night for no reason. It might feel strange, but it could be your body responding to something much bigger and more profound. With the moon's energy aligning with the powerful frequencies of the Monossued meteor shower, we're entering a zone of heightened sensitivity. Lunar activity alone can stir our emotions and shift our inner tides, but when mixed with the magnetic waves from a meteor shower, it's like the universe turns the volume up, amplifying everything around us. This means that sensations you might have brushed off as coincidence, like that unexpected dizziness or sudden burst of energy, could be connected to these cosmic shifts. While we can't say for sure, many spiritually attuned people have reported feeling these energetic changes. So tonight, take a moment to pay attention. Tune into your body. Notice if you feel a buzzing sensation under your skin, or if your dreams seem extra vivid. This is the time to honor whatever you're feeling, no matter how subtle or strange it seems. You're not imagining it. The cosmos might be trying to communicate with you in its mysterious way. This moon is asking you a powerful question. What dreams have you abandoned? and why. Deep within you are forgotten dreams, those ambitions that once set your soul on fire, that made your heart race with excitement. But life, with its relentless pace and endless responsibilities, may have buried those dreams under layers of fear, doubt, or practicality. Now, on November 21st, this moon isn't here to scold or mourn what's been lost. Instead, it's here to offer a gentle, soul-stirring nudge to revisit those forgotten desires. The moon's energy has an almost magical way of bringing back what's been hidden. Tonight, if you allow it, old dreams and forgotten passions might float back into your consciousness. The novel you always wanted to write, the adventure you never took, the career leap you were too afraid to make. Whatever it is, take a moment to sit with these revived dreams. Feel their weight and significance. Ask yourself, why did I abandon this dream? Was it practicality? Fear of failure? Or maybe I just lost sight of my own potential? The moon doesn't necessarily ask you to chase those dreams now, but it does offer a chance to reevaluate. Perhaps in this new light, you'll see an old passion with fresh eyes. Are you ready to close the loops and give those dreams a second chance? We all carry unfinished stories, unresolved emotions, and repetitive patterns that drain our energy, even when we don't realize it. The November 21st moon offers a powerful invitation to face this unfinished business head-on. It's time to confront those cycles that have kept you stuck, holding you back from growth and fresh possibilities. Think about it. Are there emotional wounds you've avoided healing? Promises to yourself that remain unfulfilled? Or maybe certain relationships or habits keep resurfacing, blocking your path forward? This moon brings a strong force, urging you to bring these cycles to an end, to stop running from them, and start releasing what no longer serves you. Feel the weight of these unfinished chapters and recognize how they hold you back from fully embracing the present and stepping into the future you desire. When you connect with this moon's energy, don't just passively think about letting go. Imagine what it would feel like to release those burdens once and for all. Picture the freedom, the lightness, and the sense of being unshackled from the past. Visualize old ties dissolving and heavy energies lifting off your spirit. This isn't just about closure for closure's sake. It's about creating space for the new. There's a thrilling exhilaration in that, a palpable sense of renewal. Now, what if this moon is the key to stepping into a whole new timeline? Picture every choice you've ever made and all the paths still available to you, each branching off into countless timelines. Imagine this November 21st moon as a cosmic key, unlocking a doorway where a quantum shift can happen. What does that mean? It means that even the smallest change, barely noticeable, could radically shift the entire course of your life. This isn't about making loud, monumental moves. It's about the tiny, almost imperceptible shifts that, when aligned with the right energy, can transform everything. Think of it this way. When a ship changes course by just a few degrees, it ends up in a completely different destination over time. This moon carries that kind of quiet yet powerful potential to steer your reality in a new direction. A more vibrant, fulfilling timeline could be just one small decision away. So what micro-adjustments could you make right now? Maybe it's choosing to forgive someone, even if only in your heart. Maybe it's letting go of an old grudge or replacing a self-doubt with a seed of belief. Under this moon, these seemingly small shifts aren't small at all. They're monumental. When this lunar energy opens a portal, the universe listens, and even the smallest intentions are magnified. This moon is a mirror, and it's time to look deeply into your own reflection. When you gaze up at the moon on November 21st, know that it's not just a glowing orb in the sky. It's a cosmic mirror, reflecting the deepest truths of your soul. This lunar phase isn't about flashy external manifestations, no grand victories or castles in the sky. Instead, it holds a different, more potent invitation. Inner alchemy. It's calling you to confront your soul's deepest truths and transform from within. What lies beneath the surface? What rises when you dare to look inward with raw honesty? Have you noticed certain patterns repeating in your life? Perhaps old emotional wounds are resurfacing, or parts of yourself you thought you had outgrown are suddenly making their presence known. This moon is shining a spotlight on those unhealed areas. It's not asking you to fix them right away, but rather to witness them, to sit with them. True transformation happens not when we ignore or suppress our shadows, but when we acknowledge them and start to understand why they exist. Take this time for deep self-reflection. Journal about the recurring themes in your life and ask yourself, what do these patterns reveal about me? Are there fears you haven't faced, or desires you've hidden away out of fear or guilt? Maybe emotions like anger or grief, which you've been avoiding, are knocking at your door. The moon invites you to let them in, to listen to their wisdom. Meditation can also be a powerful tool in this process. Sit quietly, invite your thoughts and emotions to rise, and simply observe them without trying to control or change them. Let the moonlight guide you inward, holding up a cosmic mirror to your innermost self. But here's the key. This journey isn't just about facing what's hard. It's also about recognizing your light. The moon mirrors all of you, your strength, your courage, your hidden talents, and even the dreams you've been too afraid to pursue. It invites you to embrace your complexity, to honor every part of your being. This is a moment to start a healing process so profound that even the stars seem to lean in, watching as you dance between vulnerability and power, reckoning with your true essence. Sometimes the simplest rituals hold the deepest magic. This moon, with its subtle yet potent energy, asks you to perform practices that feel genuine and personal, not flashy or theatrical. Start with a ritual of release. Find a peaceful space, grab a piece of paper, and write down everything you're ready to let go of. Fears, self-doubt, toxic habits, or cycles you're tired of repeating. Be honest and specific, pouring all of your emotions into the words. Then fold the paper with intention, sealing those energies away. You can burn it, watching the flames consume what no longer serves you, or bury it in the earth, trusting nature to transmute it. You might also try a mirror meditation under the moonlight. Place a candle nearby, sit in front of a mirror, and gaze into your own eyes. Speak gently to your reflection. Tell yourself the truths you most need to hear. Acknowledge your struggles, your resilience, and the beauty in your imperfections. Use this moment to give yourself compassion, understanding, and love. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, please consider subscribing. Your support means the world to me. Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care and subscribe for more insightful content.